Goodbye, September. Hello, October. I have two exciting announcements to make. One of them being about a fun little giveaway that I'll be doing. Make sure you watch this entire video so that you can get more information so you can potentially be the winner. This giveaway is linked to my second announcement, which is my 10 days of Halloween. Starting on October 1st, I will be posting Halloween-themed videos for 10 consecutive days. The idea is to inspire you and to kickstart the Halloween spirit. The pandemic may have taken away birthday celebrations, weddings, and vacations, but I'm gonna make sure it doesn't steal our holiday fun. I think we can all agree that 2020 took enough from us, and it's time to turn it around and bring back color into our lives. Some will say Halloween is canceled, others may think otherwise. My goal for the next 10 days will be to inspire you all and turn on your holiday light bulbs. In these upcoming videos, I will be sharing with you fun Halloween-themed recipes and crafts that you can do with your family and friends. Now, let's talk about the giveaway. I will be sneaking a secret word in each of my 10 days of Halloween special videos. It will look something like this. Now remember, this is not part of the message, this is just an example. Each day, I will be adding another word to the secret message. Watch every one of my 10 days of Halloween videos to collect all 10 words. By day 10, all words have been revealed and the secret message will be complete. To win, you must be the first one to email me at SALLYFUNAKOSHI@gmail.com, the secret message, your name, and your YouTube name. In order to qualify to win, you must be subscribed, watch all 10 videos, like all 10 videos, and you must be on Oahu in order for me to give you the prize. All the instructions and details will be in the description box below. Now I'm sure you're wondering what the prize will be. Well, it'll be a gift basket filled with a bunch of my favorite things along with some items I have raved about in my videos. There might be some calligraphy pens, some lihimoy lemon peel gummies. I don't want to spoil it, so I'll keep it a surprise. So all you have to remember is that for 10 days, there will be 10 videos with 10 secret words, all starting tomorrow, October 1st through the 10th, and videos will be posted at 6 a.m. daily. Make sure to tell your friends and do me a favor by sharing it on your social media. Thank you for your love and support. Good luck, and I will see you in my 10 days of Halloween.